Good morning, students. Today we will study about our chapter number first, understanding the environment. The environment is something which you all are very familiar with. It is everything that makes up our surrounding and affects our life. The air, the water, the plants and the animals along with all other man-made features make up our environment. Thus the environment may refer to the natural environment that includes all the things, both living and non-living things, that's naturally on the earth, and the human environment that includes built up areas like buildings, roads, technology and social and cultural factors like family and society. Now we can say in simple words, all natural and man-made things are surrounding us is called environment. यानी कि environment वो होता है जो हमारे आसपास का वातावरण होता है. Now in this chapter you will learn how natural factors and humans interface with one another and how their interrelationship affects the environment. Now we take our next topic, physical and natural environment. भौतिक एवं प्राकृतिक पर्यावरण. Natural environment is made up of those things which are not made by man, rather created by nature, or it is comprised both biotic and abiotic components. यानी कि नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट वो होता है जो मानव के द्वारा नहीं बल्कि प्रकृति के द्वारा बनाया जाता है. It includes the objects such as mountains, plains, valleys, forests, land, air, water, ocean water and all living and non-living things. Now let us more about the four spheres of the earth. Components of physical environment. Now there are four spheres of atmosphere environment, physical environment. First, the sphere of land is known as the lithosphere, where the lithos means rocks are found. यानी कि पृथ्वी का वो भाग जहां पर रॉक्स पाए जाते हैं वो लिथोस्फीयर कहलाता है. Second is the sphere of the water is known as the hydrosphere, where the hydros means water found. यानी कि पृथ्वी के जिस भाग में पानी पाया जाता है उसे हाइड्रोस्फीयर कहते हैं. Third one is the sphere of the earth is known as the atmosphere, where the atoms means vapor. यानी कि जहां पर आपको एयर पाई जाती है जिस भाग में उसे एटमॉस्फेयर कहते हैं. And the fourth one is the sphere of the living world, all animals and plants including that is known as the biosphere. यानी कि पृथ्वी का वो भाग जहां पर लिविंग वर्ल्ड एंड एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स ये सब रहते हैं वो बायोस्फीयर कहलाता है. Now we understand these components of physical environment with the example one by one. First is lithosphere. Lithosphere, land. Land is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and it is covered by a thin layer of soil. It is an surface with various landforms such as mountains, planets, plains, valleys and etc. It provides us forest, grassland, land for agriculture and human settlements and minerals for industries. Now we discuss the advantages of lithosphere. First, it bears the growth of all the plants and animals. Second is the natural resources like minerals, oil and coal are found in the lithosphere. Now second component is hydrosphere, water. All water bodies on the earth together form hydrosphere. All forms of precipitation like ice, snow, rain and etc. and also part of hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is essential for the support of life on this planet. About 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water and most of it is in the ocean. Advantages of hydrosphere. First, hydrosphere is a source of water. Second, river and oceans provide fossil fuels and various foods in the form of a water animal like fish and etc. Third one is atmosphere, air. The word atmosphere has been derived from a Greek word atoms, means which vapors. Atmosphere is the thin layer of the air that surrounds the earth. It is a mixture of different gases and surrounds earth like a thin blanket of air. It protects us from harmful solar radiations like ultraviolet rays and extra heat of the sun. What are advantages of atmosphere? First, atmosphere protects us from harmful radiations like ultraviolet rays. Second is the carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere absorb the heat and keep environment warm. Now, next topic is biosphere. A Greek word bios means life. Biosphere is a very small part of earth where land, water and air interact with each other to life. All living organisms found on earth are part of biosphere. Biosphere has a great impact on the climate because it is closely connected to the atmosphere. First, it makes a planet Earth unique, different from the other planets from the universe because to presence of Earth. Now, next is ecosystem. What is ecosystem? An ecosystem is a community of living and non-living things that work together. Ecosystem have no particular size. An ecosystem can be as large as a desert or a lake or as small as tree. We can say in simple words, the ecosystem in nature work in the same way, all the part together to make a balanced system. The importance of ecosystem. Plants provides fresh air to breathe. Through photosynthesis, plants produce oxygen which is necessary for the survival of all living organisms. Plants give out oxygen O2 and take in carbon dioxide CO2 and animals give out CO2 and take in O2. Plants provide food for animals. Plants are seen by the animals as food. Forests provide shelter to wildlife. Forests are the natural habitats of wildlife animals, while the wood of tree are used by human for various purposes like building houses, boats, furniture and etc. Plants also provide us many useful items like timber, medicine, rubber and shelter. Animals help plant to produce by helping in a population of seeds. Their drug act as mutual and help in proper growth of plants. We take our next topic, interrelationship between man and environment. Man and environment are dependent on each other. Environment nurtures the human race and in turn is also influenced by man. Man is directly related to environment, and like man, other living beings are also dependent on environment for food, water, air and shelter. Man and other living beings use things given by nature. Man is dependent on the factors of environment for his physical, cultural, industrial and economic progress. By using the elements of the environment, he has built farms, factories, towns, cities, roads, railways, dams, canals, religious and precise and cultural have all developed on the same basis. The environment has destroyed due to the human interference with the natural environment. As a result, the population growth, urbanization, industrialization, farming, transportation, and progress in technology in natural structure has changed.